In the series of stories of superhit films shown on Khabar Tak, the new link of a story that I have brought before you today is the story of film Dilek Mandir. This film was brought on the silver screen in 1963 and directed by C.V. Sridhar. The lead role of this film were played by Meena Kumari, Rajendra Kumar, and Raj Kumar. There was no villain in this film as a person. Mahmood, Putti Padmini, etc. played the character role in this film. This film had many meaningful and forceful dialogues, a few of which I repeat for you. औरत का दिल एक मंदिर होता है, इसमें एक ही भगवान बसते हैं और वह होता है उसका पति. That is, the heart of a woman is a temple where resides only one deity, and that is her husband. Besides these dialogues, there were many melodious but sad songs in the film. The music director of this film was Shankar Jaikishan, and the voiceover in the song were given by Melody King Queen Lata Mangeshkar, Muhammad Rafi, and Suman Kalyanpur. A few lines of this song I am humming for you. दिल एक मंदिर है, दिल एक मंदिर है, प्यार की जिसमें होती है पूजा वो प्रीतम का घर है. दिल एक मंदिर है, यहाँ कोई नहीं तेरे मेरे सिवा, कहती है नाचती गाती हवा, तुम सबको छोड़ के आ जाओ, आ जाओ, तुम सबको छोड़ के आ जाओ. हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे, खो बैठे. तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ, भूल जाओ. हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे, खो बैठे. रुक जा रात ठहर जाओ चंदा, आई न मिलन की बेला, आज चांदनी की रातों में अरमानों का मेला. रुक जा रात ठहर जाओ चंदा, आई न मिलन की बेला. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों भुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों भुलाए. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की. Now, let me tell you the entire story of film Dilek Mandir, what is based on the triangular love. The story of the film Dilek Mandir starts from the clinic of a Dr. Dharmesh, played by Rajendra Kumar. Here his peon informs him of his mother's arrival. The mother asks Dharmesh to go to see a girl for his marriage, but Dharmesh refuses, saying that the girl Sita, played by Meena Kumari, whom he loved, got married to another man, Ram. Thereafter, he has made this hospital his spouse. Then why does he need to see another woman? His mother says, I am old now, so if I die when I go to heaven, I will meet your father there, and he will ask, did you eat bread from your daughter in law's hand? So, how do I answer that? On this, Dr. Dharmesh asked his mother how many times a person should marry. On this, his mother once recalls his former love and says that you did not marry her. She became unfaithful and left you and married someone else. On this, Dr. Dharmesh tells his mother not to have such wrong thoughts about her. She may have some compulsion. In such a situation, she has also left her and married her and met with this hospital. See, you one day when this hospital will earn a lot of fame, then you will also enjoy it. People all over the world will know your son because of this hospital. Then you will also feel proud of your son's decision. When Dhamesh refuses to see another girl for his marriage, his mother goes back and Dr. Dharmesh comes to his chamber. He spends just a few minutes in this chamber when his employee informs him of a person visiting him for the treatment. The patient is his ex-girlfriend Sita and her husband Ram, played by Rajkumar Rao. Ram gives him an X-ray to see which is linked to his illness, saying that most doctors say he has cancer. I have come to you for medical consultation on this matter only. Before Dr. Dharmesh can say anything to this, Sita questions him whether he will be okay or not. Then Dr. Dharmesh tells something in this regards a little later and comes out. He calls some famous doctors of the city to talk to him in a case related to the treatment of cancer. After this, the story of the film goes into flashback and the memory of Dr. Dharmesh's former love goes refreshed. He is lost in a memory of moments of his love with Sita. Dr. Dharmesh gets emotional recalling the moment when both Sita and he talk about being each other's during love, but for this, Dr. Dharmesh asks her for 1 year's time. In fact, this 1 year is necessary for him to go to England and get higher education. Sita is concerned about this gap of time and says that when people go to England, they bring a madam from there. On this, Dr. Dharmesh says that he is going there with his madam from here and will bring it again from there. Saying this, he shows a picture of Sita and him. After this, Dharmesh comes from the dream world to the world of reality. Here, the two doctors who had called come, and after seeing Ram's X-ray report, that they come to the conclusion that this stage of cancer has reached to the very dangerous level. In such a situation, the only treatment is its operation, and its operation is also not easy. Dr. Dharmesh tells Sita Devi that it is necessary to do the operation soon, and the success of this operation depends on his hard work as well as God's grace. In such a situations, if you have full faith on me, then I will go ahead in this process. Then Sita says that you have I had no idea that we would meet again in this form, but I totally give my husband to you. After this, Sita goes around the different wards of the hospital and meets the patient, seduces them. Then when she comes to Ram, she also cheers him up. Dr. Dharmesh also tests him from time to time. Ram likes Dr. Dharmesh a lot. When Dr. Dharmesh comes there for Ram's health checkup, he asks Dr. Dharmesh if he is from Lucknow, as his words are spontaneous and full of sweetness. On this, Dr. Dharmesh tells about himself being a resident of Nainital. Then Ram talks about his wife also being from Nainital. Hearing Ram's voice, both Dr. Dharmesh and Sita are shocked, and Dr. Dharmesh leaves the place. Since when Sita has come to this hospital for the treatment of her husband, Dr. Dharmesh often gets lost in her memories, although he tries to forget the memories of that time of his love. But the picture that he kept with him when he went to England is still with him and reminds him of Sita again and again. This photograph kept in an old magazine remains in his hospital. One day Ram comes to the doctor and asks for a book to read. Dharmesh then says that he does not have any books other than the doctor's professional book. Just then Ram picks up that magazine lying there, which has a picture full of romance of Sita and Dharmesh. Dr. Dharmesh gets upset when Ram picks up the magazine and asks him to keep the old magazine there and get a new one in return. Then Ram saying that he has to spend only time. The old magazine will also come in handy for him. He takes the magazine and goes to his bed. Just then Sita appears on the road looking for him to have a cup of tea. Sita hands him the cup of tea and starts flipping the magazine. In this sequence, she sees the picture of herself with Dharmesh kept in that magazine. So she also becomes suspicious. Just then the picture falls off the magazine. However, Sita cleverly covers it up and brings Ram to have tea with her on the bed. As soon as Ram's tea is drunk, she wants to go and hide the picture on the pretext of delivering cups. But before she can get there, Dr. Dharmesh takes the picture and leaves. After this, one day Dr. Dharmesh is examining Ram's health. Only then his mother comes there. Ram asks Dr. Dharmesh to be introduced with his mother. Dr. Dharmesh then introduces both Sita and Ram to his mother. Then he has to leave the job, and in the absence of Dr. Dharmesh, his mother tells Ram that Dharmesh does not get a single moment to come home. He is busy in serving that patient. When Ram talks about marrying Dr. Dharmesh, Dr. Dharmesh's mother painfully tells him how a girl pretended to love Dharmesh and married someone else. But even after that, Dr. Dharmesh is not ready to marry again in her memory. Then Ram also abuses her of playing various tricks of cheating with her husband or with Dr. Dharmesh. This hurts Sita a lot because the girl is she herself. One day when Dr. Dharmesh comes to Ram's room for his health checkup, when he starts returning, Ram talks about being his friend and inquires of him not marrying so far. However, initially Dharmesh makes it an excuse for not having time due to the busy schedule in his medical profession. But when Ram claims him to be a liar, he is ready to admit that he has some compulsions, but beyond that he does not say anything and goes away. After that incident, the night Sita meets Dharmesh and expresses her desires to talk to him. Then Dharmesh says, just tell me one thing, the respect you had for me, what made you marry Ram instead of marrying me? On this, Sita said that there is no hatred in her mind towards him. She still respects him equally, but an incident happened that forced her to marry Ram instead of waiting for him. At the time when Sita is telling all these things to Dharmesh, Ram is also listening to her words from behind. My father worked in a bank. There was a scam of rupees 30,000 and the blame for the scam was put on my aged father's head. Then the director of the bank, who was Ram's father, assured to compensate the amount, saying that I should marry his son Ram. But Ram did not know that. At that point, I had two choices. Either I would see my happiness and marry you, or I would have saved my aged father from going jail and protect my religion. I have given priority to the religion that saved my father, but I never doubted you. Dr. Dharmesh also told Sita that though he was not married to her, he would leave no stone unturned in treating Ram, her husband. Hearing the words of Dr. Dharmesh and Sita, Ram also begins to float and down the waves of thoughts. Meanwhile, one night, Sita goes to Dr. Dharmesh and asks for her old photographs which Dr. Dharmesh has hidden in the magazine. At this, Dharmesh tells Sita that she can take the replica engraved on a paper, but how can she touch the image that is in his heart? To this, Sita says, I have taken something from you every moment. Even today I will not go without taking anything. She then goes on to explain that since I am someone else's wife, no one else should have anything to do with her. A woman's heart is a temple in which there is a place for the idol of one god, and that idol is her husband. Ram hides and listens to both of them, but before Sita comes here, he comes to the bed. The word heard by Sita and Dharmesh stir his mind so much that his health deteriorates completely for a moment. However, then Dharmesh comes and gives him an injection which makes his condition normal again. After this, Ram goes to meet Dr. Dharmesh and talks about making a promise to him. Though Dr. Dharmesh repeatedly says that he will recover, Ram says that if this does not happen, and for this he wants a promise that if he dies in this condition, then he should take the responsibility of Sita's marriage. To this, Dr. Dharmesh says, if your wife agrees, I promise to help her. Ram then returns to his bed. Before Ram's operation, Dr. Dharmesh performs the operation of a little girl Uma in that hospital. Sita feels that if Uma's operation is successful, then her husband's operation will also be successful, and if Uma's operation is not successful, then her husband's operation too will not be successful. When Uma's operation takes place, after the operation is successful, then her health suddenly deteriorates and she dies. Uma's death shocks Sita completely. Sita comes to Dr. Dharmesh and talks about taking her husband from there to another place for the treatment. Dr. Dharmesh then tells her to trust him, as it is a matter between patient and the doctor and the God, which the husband-wife relationship cannot resolve. Despite this, when Sita questions him about Uma's death and his faith, Dr. Dharmesh says that Uma's death has nothing to do with Ram's operation. But when Sita talks about taking Ram to another place for the treatment, again Dr. Dharmesh also gives his permission. However, he calls it a blot on the doctor-patient relationship and talks about the hospital's notoriety. After Sita leaves, Dr. Dharmesh's mother comes there and says that she has come to know that he does not eating anything for the last 5 days. He then tells his mother that first he has to treat Ram properly. Only after that he will also pay attention to his health and his marriage matters as per her decision. After this, when he comes near Ram's room, he hears the conversation going in between Ram and Sita. Sita asks Ram to take him to another hospital for the treatment, but Ram denies this and says that he has full faith in Dr. Dharmesh. On this, when she talks about trusting God, Rama says that if she trusts God, God will help her here too. Then Ram clearly says that no matter what, he will get his operation done by the same Dr. Dharmesh. The doctor hears this. Meanwhile, Ram suffers from chest pain and Dr. Dharmesh comes there to check him. Then, in this presence of Dr. Dharmesh, Ram takes an oath from Sita that if he dies in this operation, then she should marry Dr. Dharmesh. On hearing this, both Dharmesh and Sita are shocked. Dharmesh tells Ram that you have done the work of demeaning me in order to show your begins. It has made me fall from my ideal. Sita says that the same thing to Ram, but Ram says that it is his duty that his wife, who is at the present age, should get married, and he wants to remove this burden from his mind. When the day of Ram's operation approaches, Sita meets Dr. Dharmesh and asks him, "You will not take revenge on my husband, will you?" To this, Dr. Dharmesh says that if I had to take revenge, he could have taken it any time before. On this, Sita says that I am human, and as a human being, I can be distracted and I can ask such a question. But you will not distract yourself. After this, Dr. Dharmesh gives him full confidence that Ram will be healthy after the operation. Dr. Dharmesh keeps reading books related to Ram's operation day and night. Even he is not eating food for a few days. When Sita approaches Ram from Dharme's side, Ram calls the liar first and asks him to make a will. He also wants Dr. Dharme's signature on this will, but the doctor refuses to sign it, saying that he will only sign the discharge slip as he is sure that the operation will be successful. After this, Ram again expresses his desire to see Sita in marriage. Sita unhesitatingly fulfills Ram's demands and always encourages him that the operation will be successful. Dr. Dharmesh performs the surgery of Ram. The operation is successful, but Dharmesh suffers a heart attack and dies. After this, Ram and Sita decided to continue running that hospital in the memory of Dr. Dharmesh. This new form of hospital built in the memory of Dr. Dharmesh was inaugurated by Dr. Dharmesh's mother. On this occasion, everyone, including Ram and Sita, saluted Dharmesh's love and devotion to his duties. With this scene of the inauguration of this new form of the hospital built in the memory of Dr. Dharmesh, the film's Dil Ek Mandir Hai ends.